So, welcome back everyone to another episode of Boozman Outdoors. Today we're back out here at Lake Pleasant, outside the larger Phoenix city of Arizona. So, got a bit of an inclement weather today. Supposed to be some spotty showers, no chance of storms or anything, but there we go, hail thrown at me, was not expecting, so we'll see how it goes. Fish are already wet, so I might as well be too, but it's gonna be a little soggy and a little chilly today, so hopefully we catch something. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Damn! Let's do a little bit of trolling, see if we can find anything. Honestly, I think I'd rather have hail than rain, though. I stay just, slightly drier. At least I can tell myself that anyways. If I don't catch at least one fish, though, I tell you what, I'm gonna be pissed. Water level's gone up quite a bit with all the recent rain and things we've been having. Yes. Oh, it's starting to hurt a little bit. But good times, good times. This better not get any bigger, or else I'm a little worried about my truck. Nice little size. That's probably enough. I forgot I'm running a deep diver. Look at that. Look at all that. I'm outside of it now. Oh, they're getting nailed. Sucks to suck. Hopefully it doesn't come this way. Oh, here it is. Oh, sucks to suck. Oh yeah. Wonderful. Busted my knuckle. Look at that. I think I was out here off this rock once, and wife and I were anchored, just had our base hanging off the side, and she was tied next to me, and she was racked out, taking a big old nap. And I look over, her rod's tips down in the water, just bouncing. I woke her up, she had a massive catfish on the line. It's the only thing we caught the whole day is when we're sleeping, but good times. I knew I was dragging something I wasn't supposed to. turn it, kind of fish along that way, put my back into the wind. Yeah, that's the plan. Drop her here. So if nobody ever noticed, I actually use a, I don't know if you can see it, a clothing line hanger, like a retractable one that you put outside your house or something. And that's what I use as my anchor line. It just keeps everything real neat and squared away, and I kind of like it. Alrighty. Time to get everything set up. Ooh, that's a bite. There we go. There's one. It's probably a catfish or something. I was down near the bottom. Been marking a ton of fish here, so glad to see one decided to take it. Ugh. Yep, nice little catfish. That's a good eater right there. All right, everybody. Still marking some down there too. So, perfect. Let's see how big he is. He's looking, ended tail's almost 17. So, there we go. I love these circle hooks. Just because they, oh, I might need pliers still. Just the way they self-set almost. He was already gone with it before I even really gave him a yank. So awesome. Look at that. Hail's worth it already. Well, off you go, bud. Just had a bite. This guy right here is mouthing it. Been chasing me the whole time. Super finicky. They're teasing me. Ah. I might be just grabbing the tail that we're on the shore. There you are. He wanted that. Oh yeah. He wanted that. There we go. Oh, that's a crappie. I'm keeping you. That is a beautiful crappie. All right. It's my favorite fish to eat right there. That is a nice one. He was aggressive. He wanted that. Look at that. Look at that. Wonderful. Wonderful. I am gonna cook you later. Crappie is one of my favorite fish to eat. I think I'm gonna make some nice avocado and little pepper tacos out of him. That sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll just fry him up with some beer batter. That's probably the easiest way to go about it, honestly. Drop him off the side there. All right. I think the limit here, I'm gonna have to double check, but I think the limit for crappie here at Pleasant is probably about 10. And back home where I grew up, they're more considered like bluegill, I guess is the best way to compare it. And they don't get quite as big, but you can keep 50 of them a day. So I've limited out multiple times there, and we have big old fish fries with the family and everything. So it's a good time. Just had a bite on this guy. Oh, he's still there. Yep, got him. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh boy, that's a nice fight. Nice fight. There we go. Keep on coming up, baby. Keep on coming. They're hitting super light. They're not even setting off my drag. I'm just looking over and I'm seeing it slightly get tugged down. Another catfish. Man, they just keep getting bigger and bigger. Oh, right. There we go. That's what I like to see. It's a slimy guy here. Got some girth to him. I'll measure this guy, see how big he is. Almost 20, not quite. So, a couple inches bigger than the first one. Oh, come on. Oh. We'll get him back in the water. Well, he buried that one in there pretty good. Yeah. There we go. All right, cool. Off he goes. Oh, that's a nice one. There we go. I tell you what, I love fishing. I really do. It's probably my favorite thing in the world. I don't know why more people don't go out and do it. Oh, wrapped around the end. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't come off. It's a nice catfish. There we go. Look at them. Look at that sucker. All right. That is number tres today. He's barking away. All right. A little bigger than the last one. I'll say he's pushing 20 or so. But nice. Glad to see him here. And off you go. Tell your friends about me. All right. All right, everyone. So I'm heading back in. I'm trying to beat the light here before it gets too dark. It's a lot easier packing up while I still got some. But anyways, hopefully y'all liked the video, and if you did, go ahead and check out my channel. I have a couple other videos, and while you're there, click subscribe because there definitely will be more coming out. I've said it before, but I'm gonna be heading back to Pennsylvania here shortly, and I will be going back to some of my old stomping grounds where I grew up, and I will be doing a lot of ice fishing back there. So I will be doing some nice videos of that, a little change of pace from out here. But again, this is a new channel for me. I'm not a videographer, nor do I have super good editing skills. So a lot of this is me teaching myself, essentially. If you guys have any critiques or comments or anything like that, or even questions about the kayak or my gear or fishing spots to try out here in the Phoenix area, go ahead and drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can as well. I'd really appreciate whatever you guys throw at me. So alrighty, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.